Of course, that's the clubhouse side as well. Now, last ball, last over. Rahul just showing once again, he's very tentative once to get off strike. The ball should have been sent for 4. It went straight to short fine. Sent back in time by Bubble. And Rahul doing the right thing, making sure that he gets onto the crease and protects himself. He was there well in time. But it's just showing that both these guys are a little tentative. And that's showing in the runs as well. 12 in the first 2 overs. Very, very poor.
आप बात कर रहे थे इस बारावती स्टेडियम के बारे में. कई रिकॉर्ड्स यहाँ पर बनाए गए हैं. स्टेडियम का सबसे बड़ा स्कोर, अगर हम वनडेज की बात करें तो 381 रन बनाए थे इंडिया ने इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ 2017 में. करेंगे उसके बारे में चर्चा. टाइगर वापस. बहुत ही अच्छी लाइन है. और पावर प्ले में अभी भी अनुशासित गेंदबाजी करते हुए भोजपुरी दबंग.
Yes, he is bowling well. Round the wicket, I think he likes that. Drifts the ball in, particularly for the lefty. Although in the last ball of the previous over of Pravesh, there was a sweet cover drive. But that was against the movement of the ball. And once again, I do think that Bubble did very well to not play a big shot. The ball was angling towards the stumps. Just turned it away to square leg. Now, Pravesh is going to move over the wicket to the right-hander. Still power play. Where does he have his boundary riders? He's got a cover sweeper. And I suspect a long on. You can't see yet, which will be at the bottom right of the screen if we can see that. No, it's a mid-on. So where does he have his 2 boundary riders? Not sure anymore. Maybe long off. Okay, Rahul, prove me wrong. That you're now assured. You spent a lot of time on the crease. 8 balls, only 6 runs. That has to change. And now.
वाइड बॉल. और अच्छी तरह से जज किया इस बार राहुल ने. चुन लिया है उस लाइन को टाइगर ने और उसी के साथ बढ़ने की कोशिश. थोड़ी सी आउटसाइड मूवमेंट यहां पर चारू.
Yeah, he gets movement away from the right hand and into the lefty.
बहुत करीब उस आउटसाइड एज से. एक बार फिर से थोड़ी सी मूवमेंट यहां दिखते हुए टप्पे के बाद गजब की गेंदबाजी करते हुए. और जो स्विंग मनोज तिवारी दिलाने वाले थे वो थोड़ा सा यहां पर टाइगर ने उसकी भरपाई की है.
And also the fact that Rahul's not moving his feet at all. So he's swinging and missing because he's nowhere near the ball. In a sense, that's okay because he's not nicking it to the keeper either. Yeah, it was a close miss. It was a close one. Okay. Pravesh doing a really good job. Rahul has to move further outside the off stump to crack it there. Is that an edge and given? It's only a matter of time. I was saying that Rahul continues to be very tentative, not moving his feet, just flashing his bat. The ball eluding the outside edge. So many deliveries. This time a thin nick and very well kept.
वही लाइन लगातार टाइगर की ओर से टेस्ट करते हुए राहुल को और आखिरकार ये सफलता मिली. बड़े शॉट के लिए जाने की जरूरत थी, यहां पर वही किया राहुल ने. लेकिन बैट के निचले हिस्से से हुआ संपर्क और इस मेहनत का फल मिलता हुआ इस विकेट के साथ. करण वाही नए बल्लेबाज पंजाब के शेर के लिए. एक अच्छे बल्लेबाज पिछले सीजन भी हमें दिखे थे. बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर और टेलीविजन होस्ट भी. तैयार अब स्ट्राइक पर और बिल्कुल कंसिस्टेंसी बरकरार यहां पर टाइगर की ओर से.
Well, I'm glad that he moved across and got plenty of bat on that, even though it was more the outside half. But I wasn't happy with the fact that even Karan was ball watching. Now, I know the team may be listening and the coaches as well. Karan, after playing that, see, oh, that's the out, of course. Now, once again, his feet going nowhere. Rahul, and just swung at it without any conviction, any commitment. Got a thin nick at the bottom of the bat. And the Bhojpuri Dabang supporters are delighted, as they should.
तेजी से रन आउट का मौका. डायरेक्ट हिट. अपील हमेशा चांस रहता है जब डायरेक्ट हिट लग जाए, लेकिन बिल्कुल सही पोजीशन पर थे एम्पायर और उन्होंने ये जज किया कि सही क्षण पर पहुंच गए थे बब्बल।
Well, I like that by Bubble. He was completely committed to that single. And even though he didn't have to stretch too much or dive, the movement though that Pravesh is getting fabulous from round the wicket for the lefty. And whoa, just in, boy. Now he couldn't see the throw coming in. And that's why the dive didn't come in. Pravesh did so well to get to the ball, to pick it up clean, to turn around and take a shot at the non-striker's end. So much easier to take a shot at the striker's end. And he was only, what, a quarter of a second away from getting another wicket.
पावर प्ले की आखिरी बॉल और उसे भी एक बहुत ही अच्छे नतीजे के साथ समाप्त करते हुए टाइगर। खूबसूरत स्पेल उनका और 3 ओवर के बाद पावर प्ले के बाद पंजाब ने शेर 17 पर 1।